This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 2 of Java for Beginners guide, and the topic of today is Java Development Kit, which is also called JDK, and Java Runtime Engine, which is also called JRE. Both these are very essential for running Java program. So let's start with its introduction. The minimum requirement for a Java program to run is called JRE, which is an abbreviation of Java Runtime Engine. Very essential tool. JDK is the minimum environment required for development of Java applications. So both these tools, JDK and JRE, are very essential for running a Java program. So first we will discuss about Java Runtime Engine, which is also called JRE. It is an environment that is required for executing a Java application, or you can call it a Java program. A very popular usage of JRE is with a browser, where it is available as a plugin to allow applet client-side program to execute. JRE is composed of following components. Number one, interpreter. It is very important to understand binary Java code. For example, java.exe, or which you can call an exe file. So once the program is interpreted, then binary code is developed by Java interpreter. And second is the tools. They provide various functionality such as security, core services, internationalization, RMI, etc. For example, key tool, RM registry, Java CPL, etc. Now, third thing is library. Java application, programming interface, for example rt.jar, jce.jar, jsse.jar, etc. This is to be noted that JRE cannot be used for development of Java application, but it is used for execution them. Now we'll discuss about the second important point, which is called Java Development Kit, because though both these are the minimum requirement for running a Java program. First we have discussed the Java Runtime Engine, which is also called JRE, and now we'll discuss about JDK, which is called Java Development Kit, also called JDK. So it is an environment that is targeted for developers who desire to develop Java applications. JDK is nothing but Java Standard Edition, which is used for development of desktop user interface, communication, and applet types of applications. JDK is composed of following components. Number one, compiler. It is used to compile Java code to bytecode. For example, Java C.exe, or you can call it Java.exe, Java C.exe. Number two, interpreter. It processes bytecode to native code. For example, java.exe. Number third, once again, tools. They provide functionality such as RMI, internationalization, core services, and security. Number 4, library. Reusable, predefined, Java API, application programmer interface like rt.jar, jce.jar, jse.jar, etc. Where JDK is a super set of JRE. JDK has all the components that JRE has, plus it has a compiler. Okay, that's all viewers for today's video. In today's video we have discussed JDK, Java Development Kit, and JRE, Java Runtime Engine. Both are very minimum requirement for Java program, and they have their own interpreter and their tools and library. And here we have discussed that Java Development Kit JDK is also uses compiler, which is used to compile Java code to the bytecode. So every time interpreter and compiler of JDK uses, it converts the Java code to its bytecode, and then the interpreter converts the bytecode to the native code, and eventually then you can see the output on the screen. And the tools which are used by JDK are provided functionalities like internationalization, core services, and security, and reusability of the predefined Java API. So when we talk about the JRE, Java Runtime Engine, is also very essential tool, and it's both are basically the environment, because JRE is also an environment and JDK is also an environment, but it also provides an interpreter which is used to understand the binary Java code. So it also has tools which you provide functionality such as security, core service, internationalization, RMI, etc. So that's all viewers. Thanks for watching. Thank you.